To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Swipe up to scroll down and locate the Audience and Visibility section. Then, select Profile and Tagging. Here, you will see the option, Who can post on your profile? Tap on it. By default, it is set to Friends. Simply select Only Me, and then tap Save. From now on, only you will be able to post on your profile, others will no longer have permission to add posts. By restricting others from posting on your Facebook profile, you safeguard your personal space, and maintain complete control over your timeline's content. So that's how you can stop others from posting on your profile on Facebook.